makes this course more unique than other classes maybe at Galveston College?
It's a skilled, hands-on vocation. It's not only just hands, you have to remember a lot of things. As far as unique, well, it's we're out here actually working, we're doing things.
What do students learn and what do they do?
Okay, well, the students learn basically when they start off how to run beads and how to control the rod when they're making beads. Get the feel of it to start with, and then we go into what we call fillet welding, joining two pieces of plate together. They learn how to make welds in the horizontal, vertical, and overhead position. And then here next month we're going to start what we call TIG or heliarc welding. It's a totally different process. It's a two-handed process that it'll be learning all over again. And in the future with our academic program, we're going to throw in two more welding processes, a MIG and a flux core.